Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Easy English to Speak English. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jancy. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating 74th Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day makes us realize the importance of democracy. Republic Day teaches us to live in peace and unity. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.